Hey, hi everyone. Good evening. Welcome back. So, guys, there are certain scenarios where we need to enter uh, on an application on a mobile, particularly character by character. An example for that one is consider that there is a mobile number field, and whenever you are using a type text, a complete mobile number, sometimes a portion of the characters are not entering. So, portion of numbers, consider that 961 some number is there. Okay, and if you use a type text into a text field on the application, sometimes it may be entering a 5 characters, sometimes it may be entering a 6 characters, sometimes it's entering a character. So application has a restriction that mobile number is a mandatory of a 10 fields. In such cases, definitely it will show up an issue. The workaround for this particular one is, rather than using a type text in such scenarios, you can enter character by character. That will fix your issue. Let me show you a simple example for that. So here, what I'm doing means function test character by character. Okay, function test character by character. So here I was just using this instance followed by, at the end I wanna kill this instance too. So copy it up. Now, where you want to enter character by character, right? So first of all, let me kill the app and let me establish a session here. Okay. So function test character by character. Why it's not coming here? Function test, and here everything is fine. Okay. Function test character. Okay. Okay, fine. So initially it wasn't saved properly. That's the reason we got the play button right now. Now I'm adding a debug point here. Let me debug it. So my objective is in the text field, right? I just want to deal this particular one on a text field. So here, once we got this here, right? I want to handle the search. Okay. PO app dot static text. Okay, static text. I want to go to a search text fields. So where is the search? So here, search. Okay, let us see that. PO app dot static text of a search dot a tab. Let me see what's happening out over there. Yeah, perfect. It got a handle. And PO static text. Again, I want to hit the default static text. Okay, so here, this we already know basically. So I was just writing down that piece of code here. So it's clicking on a default. So whichever these two lines of a code is there, I'm copying it and I'm putting it here. Okay, the default one and the search one, I copied it and I pasted here, which means we are in the search text fields. Now here, PO app dot text fields. I'm clicking on a text fields. Okay, it's not coming up. PO app. So whenever I was using a PO app in this particular screen, let us see what it is showing up. Okay, default search bar. And here we need to click on this particular magnifying icon. So here there is a cancel. Okay, there is a cancel.